obedience, service, because your relationship was based on the emotion. When these things are demanding in a relationship, when you have kids, what happens? Love fades away. And somewhere what he mentioned, love is somewhere is a lust there.
Yes.
And that's why there are too much like breakups even after the marriage. There are divorces, okay, and they fight with each other. And there is also domestic violence among the love partners also. What will you have to say? Anybody would like to answer from team A? Okay, Adil.
According to me, okay, I agree in that in love marriages there is some lust, but in arranged marriage there is a lust completely, because you are just married to a person to fulfill your desires, kind of physical desires or something else. But in love marriage there is a love, at least there is a love with the lust. So I think love marriages are much better. And I would like to present a data. According to a survey of 2021, 44% of Indians are not ready to marry the same person in love marriages. Over 30% are not emotionally satisfied. And according to 2018 study by India Today, 1 of the 5 women regret with arranged marriages because they don't have any right to reject all those things. We are human, we are not animals, so we have emotions. So please don't tie the emotions of your children with anyone whom they don't know. Thank you.
Okay, a nice line spoken by Adil. So we are not animals, we are humans, and we have right to choose our partners. And even do I believe somewhere, like, why are you not letting to a person, boy or girl, to decide to whom they want to marry? Why always parents are trying to control from since childhood to their adults? So why are you not letting them to marry to whom they want to marry? Why are you treating as a small kid? I will decide, we will decide to whom you marry.
Firstly, I want to give an answer about Aarti. Aarti had a question. Love marriage means they are knowing each other before marriage, and they have already spent too much time with each other. So it's a very good for them. But I'm talking about somewhere it demands physical beauty. I'm talking about love marriage. It demands a physical beauty, and somewhere it demands a physical relationship also. It is forcefully demanded from boy side. Maybe it happened in girl side. But if we talk about arranged marriage, whole team means families, friends, relatives are agree with you. Means they guide you. They are more experienced as compared to us, and they have lived that kind of lifestyle. So they have a good experience, and they are supporting to us, and we have determined we are on right way. So if about your answer means after getting married they are firmly formed, man, it means they are a good on a path. After getting married they are just giving dedication towards in-laws side. So it's a good. And I'm talking about before 2 or 3 years it was happened in Mehrauli case in Delhi. One Hindu girl was cut in so many small pieces just because of living in a relationship, and she was forced to be in relationship. She was not agree. Initial time she was agree, she was in a love, but it was forcefully she was living in a relationship, and she was forced. But why? Because of not accepting her parents. She has a compulsion to be with that person. So these kind of happening, it's happened nowadays. They don't think about you are a loyal, you are a cultural girl, you are a so simple and very good thinker, and so internal beauty they don't want to see. They want only physical beauty. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. So now we are moving to the last section of this thing. So both the teams will get one chance, okay, for the rebuttal round. So decide one person who would like to speak this side, and decide one person who would like to speak this side. So by this we will end the rebuttal round. So this is the last section of the rebuttal round. So we would like to speak here. Aarti. Okay, go. Mic pass karo. And you guys decide who would like to speak. Okay. So
Vijaya ma'am, you spoke very well, but I partially appreciate with your points. You mentioned that physical beauty. I think in arranged marriage, this is required too much. Like we can see the economic status. What is the economic status of groom side? What is the job status? So we can take examples of Raja Raghuvanshi and Sonam from Indore. They both are committed in arranged marriage and went for honeymoon, and after that what's the name, Sonam loved to any other boy. What happened, she murdered his husband just and because of arranged marriage.
Sorry.
Her family pressured that you will have to arrange marriage, what I do you will have to do. So after that she pressurized and she get arranged marriage. But after that, so I think we should give the chance to choose your partner with our children, with our youths, because in this era every youth aware to everything that I have some rights and I can choose to my partner. And we can see lot of examples in arranged marriages, love marriages. There is lot of examples we can see. And domestic violence 31, according to NFHS survey 5/2021, domestic violence rate is 31% arranged marriages women. According to NFHS survey 5, 31% women case files in nearest Thana police chowki. That's we are in arranged marriage, and my husband commits lot of domestic violence. So we can see, and as Krishna mentioned that we have some responsibility for my brother. We spend our whole life with approx 20 to 25 minutes. So and I will have to spend my whole life. So I think if I want to explore whole life.
time is up.
Thank you so much.
Time is up. Okay. So now, who just decide? Krishna will reply or Suryansh? Okay. So Suryansh will counter her. She mentioned about the recent case of the Sonam Raghuvanshi and the Raja Raghuvanshi, and what happened because of the parents' demand. She was indulged in such kind of heinous crime. Okay. Yes.
Okay, as you mentioned that domestic violence. So let me clear the data that you're manipulating. So 30% domestic violence in the love marriage and 24% in the arranged marriage. I have seen the data, and one my colleague mentioned that mutual understanding. I respect your mutual understanding, but what about the parent mutual understanding? That who has grown you 20 and 25 year, and just for a 1 and 2 year love for a sake that you deceive them. You will love with the parent, as my colleague mentioned that loyalty is there, and you talking about the emotion, that emotion is other than the responsibility and other thing. Don't you know, if you just as a age of 25 and 30 you find that emotion is overtaken by you, you don't think about the responsibility, you don't think about the further life, you only just think about romanticize ki always there will be love. And what about the responsibility? If you don't take care of your parent responsibility, your family responsibility, you are only obsessed with your spouse, then what is the guarantee that after the birth of the children you will be responsible for them? And as you mentioned that the Sati Pratha, so it has been abolished very long time ago. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so no, just because there will be always some questions and some answers, and some question and answer. So it is a never-ending debate about the love marriage and the arranged marriage. Okay, later on we can discuss. Just later on we can discuss, because we started from team A and I am ending from the team B. Otherwise, if I give the chance to you, then I'll have to give the chance to them also. Okay, in conclusion, you can say. There is a conclusion round, you can say. Okay, you will get the 30 second. So prepare for this. Okay. So now we are ending the second round. That was a rebuttal round. And now we are moving to the conclusion round. Now each and every participant will have to give their conclusion within the 30 second time. Are you ready, guys? Okay. So again, I'll start from team A, who would like to start their their conclusion. Shilpi ma'am. Now I'm giving time to you, but in 30 seconds. Yeah, in 30 seconds. So
Firstly, I asked some questions.
no, it's over now. Whatever was like, you had asked question before that. Okay, so there is a time limit. You can ask the question in the conclusion now. Maybe they try to answer. Okay, that's your art to complete everything in that 30 seconds. So you may take your time at least 1 minute. And if you are ready, guys, then tell me. Anybody is ready from team A? Because everybody will have to give their own conclusion, and then we will end this debate.
Firstly, it's a conclusion round, so I would like to mention that this is our life. Our parents will not spend whole life with our spouse. We have to spend. They will die at the time, but we will remain. Our emotions will remain. Our responsibility will remain. As you guys mentioned, in the in love marriages, there are only a physical side. You have love only physical side, but in arranged marriages, there are what about the marital rape cases? In arranged marriages, mentality should not be matched, but you have to match physically. Seriously.
Okay, thank you, Adil. Now, team B, who would like to give their conclusion? Okay, Akshay, move the mic.
This is a conclusion round. Both marriage, love marriage and arranged marriage have disadvantage and advantage. But I prefer arranged marriage because it is a more good as compared to love marriage, because it is arranged by our parents. Our parents know that what would be right and what would be wrong for their children, and they choose a right person only for you. That's why I am prefer to arrange.
Okay, good. Now, team A, who would like to give? Okay, शिल्पी मैम. तैयार रहो पहले से, ठीक है? हाँ. 30 seconds, ma'am. Within the 30 seconds. Okay, start. The time starts now.
After meeting one or two times, how can you choose your partner very well? That's why love marriage is better than arranged marriage. And sir was telling us success rate. You are telling about success rate. So I think you are telling about quantity, not quality. Okay. So we have right from the 21 article, so we can choose our partner or.
Okay, good. Now, team B. Okay, Vijaya ma'am.
To get a right person, it doesn't matter it is through by love marriage or arranged marriage. It demands a purity, loyalty, faith, better understanding, mutual understanding. So whether it can be get by the arranged marriage, accept this, and whether it is through by love marriage. Nowadays, love plus arranged marriage is happening. Why? Because people are more educated, they understand this is right thing, so that's why they choose this love plus arrange.
Good, very good. Okay, now team A. Ambikesh.
In conclusion, I just want to say,
ऐसे mic को ऐसे.
in conclusion, I just want to say that love marriage is not depend on romance. It's about choosing right life partner. You can convince your parents too. Love marriage is not just about going against your parents. Love marriage doesn't depend on how it started. It depends on love, trust, and compatibility. Thank you so much.
Good, good, good. Okay, Suryansh. Be ready, guys. Okay, now आपकी दो बार. Okay, कृष्णा को दे सकते हो, आप टाइम ले सकते हो. आपने नहीं बोला ना कंक्लूजन अभी, ठीक है.
So in my conclusion, in my point of view, I want to say that like love marriage has their own pros and cons, but also you can see the arranged marriage success rate because of the family, because of the society, because of your family reputation. You have to choose the right person because they have the experience, they have the eye on the society, so they know what is the good for you. That's all about it. Thank you so much.
Good, good. Aarti. Mic, do you know?
In conclusion, everyone presented the data, but we don't know what is the reality. Actually, I want to share my personal experience. I did work in NFHS 5. So, I saw many women surviving his life with their husband just because of society fear and family pressure that you will have to manage this thing because he is your husband. So, what is the reality and what is the data? We can't say that according to data everything is going on good in this society. So, it is my personal experience that if we... Thank you so much.
Okay. Moving to Daman. Daman or Suryansh? Suryansh.
Okay, sorry.
उन्होंने पहले बोला था ना.
Well, all kind of marriage is trap, but although I prefer the arranged marriage, as you just mentioned, ki how we can get to know ki we then went to meeting up. If we just talk about our parents, they have lived their life and they know ki which stage of life what is overtaken. They know that at that time that emotion is overtaken, so we don't think the after that life. We are not visionary, so they prefer arrangement. So, thank you.
Okay, now your turn is over. Now Priya, last. Sorry मैम, मैं किसी से वो नहीं कर रहा, बट सबको बराबर चांस मिलना चाहिए ना.
So in conclusion, I think that love marriage is better because couples wanna live together. And arrange, you said that love marriage create problem. Arranged marriage also create problem after marriage. That parents says that it's your luck. And in love marriage, parents don't support you. Then I think that love marriage is better because both our situation depend on couples. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now Daman. I think last is Daman, right? Okay.
Thank you so much for giving 30 seconds. And my conclusions goes for my brothers and sisters. Hello families, how are you? I'm fine. And I want to say that just move on the practicality because both of the side have their pros and cons. So love marriage is also good and arranged marriage is also good. So we cannot say that the thing is bad in this era and that era. Okay. So we have to practical and love is also great after the marriages. Okay, so that's all my point. Thank you.
Okay, good. So now our debate is end. Okay, now we are moving to Himanshi ma'am to take forward the event. Yes.